Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delivery note in Tally Prime. First, ensure the delivery note feature is enabled. Go to F11 Features, then enable Use Tracking Numbers and use Delivery and Receipt Notes. This crucial step allows you to manage your dispatches effectively. Once enabled, you are ready to proceed with creating your first delivery note in Tally Prime. Next, from the gateway of Tally, go to Vouchers and select Delivery Note from the Other Vouchers menu. Choose the sales order you previously created. Tally Prime will automatically populate many details. Carefully enter the dispatch information, including the quantity of items being sent, ensuring it matches your physical dispatch. After entering all necessary details, save the delivery note. You can then print it for your customer and for your own records. This printed note serves as proof of dispatch and helps in tracking the goods. Maintaining these records is vital for reconciliation and for addressing any future queries regarding the delivery. Using delivery notes in Tally Prime offers several benefits. It ensures that the correct products and quantities are dispatched, reducing errors. This process also aids in accurate inventory management by updating stock levels. Ultimately, a clear and professional delivery note enhances customer satisfaction and streamlines your business operations efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.